Over the years, I've seen many methods for carrying and storing extension cords. Joe has a favorite.
Well, this one involves using a 5-gallon plastic bucket, which many homeowners use around the house these days for storing all sorts of items. It's a perfect size for an extension cord. What you first do, though, is you take a drill with a 1.5-inch diameter hole saw and drill a hole near the bottom of the bucket. So I'm just going to drill it right here, the lower side, go right through the bucket, and that creates a hole for the plug end of the cord. So we're going to take this and feed it through. That hole, 1.5 inches, is just the right size.
Okay.
Then you can take the rest of the cord, this is a 50-foot cord, and dump it right in.
Okay, so you're able just to position this right by the outlet and then stretch the cord out, then plug it in.
Come back and plug it in. Now the nice thing about this is, at the end of the day, when you unplug it and then you wind up your cord, you don't have to be that neat about it. You can just dump it right in there. If it's a little tangled up, it won't matter because the bucket will hold it. And here we have a 50-foot cord, and you see there's still plenty of room if you wanted to store a tool or some hand tools or even a power tool like this belt turner. It fits right in. You got a nice handle, just carry it right off the site.
Well, that's great. It's never suggested, though, to leave the cord coiled up because it can overheat and cause you some problems. But this is a great tip, Joe.